A massive update from NodePay. Guys, I've made a video on how to join this platform and to keep my get listing this year. I think I've made a video on that, but guys, there's this particular video or tweet that was just released on this platform that I want to review to you, and here is it. You can see that proof of humanhood. You will need this for your TGE, so you need to claim this badge if you have not claimed it or if you have not gotten it. I will explain to you guys on how to claim this particular badge on the mining platform. It's either you use your browser, your laptop, or use your quick browser for this project. Now, to have access to this badge is very simple. You can do this on your quick browser. Go to your quick browser, guys, and provide a link, log into your account, then scroll up or you come over to this place where you see medal and boost. You click on medal and boost. Once you click on medal and boost, guys, you scroll up. The first thing you have to claim here is this bandwidth. If you click on this bandwidth, what you need to claim this token is very simple. To earn this medal, ensure you maintain an active network connection for a total of 100 hours. So if you're able to do that, guys, you claim this badge and you are good to go. The next badge here is the proof of humanity. How do you claim this, guys? It's very simple. Just over and come and tap on it as well. Now here is how to unlock this particular badge. To earn this medal, you must prove that you are human by completing the verification process. Ensure that you have successfully connected and verified your Twitter account, email, and Discord account. So once you've done this, guys, this particular project will be verified. Then I've done that. Just go and do that. So once you've connected to this platform and you claim this, guys, you'll be able to claim this particular badge. This badge is very good and it might be useful for the token generation effect on this platform. So that is just what I want to show you guys in this video. If you do enjoy this tip, guys, I would like to hear from you in the comment section. Drop your comment as well, like this video and give us a subscribe. Thank you, guys. See you soon in our next video.